So welcome back to a new analysis video, guys, where I'm going to do gold analysis for this week. So let's start this video now without wasting any time. First of all, I will tell you a good setup for Monday. As you can see, today market has been closed before few hours. Today is Saturday, and I think so on Monday market will be open as usual. And I will tell you best setup for Monday, what you can expect the price. So let's start this video now. If you have not subscribed our channel, you can subscribe and press the bell icon for each, if you want daily analysis video, everything I will be uploading. So first of all, on Monday, guys, you can see here gold. I have gone with the 45-minute time frame for Monday. You can go for a trade on this. First thing, it's following the trend line, guys. Gold, you can see here, it's following a trend line here downside. You can see this is a trend line following by it. And second thing, it is making a triangle pattern. Now what we can expect is, first of all, guys, it has not made a complete triangle pattern, so we can't go for a trade now for just for prediction. But if you could see here, just look it out. What I'm trying to say is, it's in an important zone. In this zone, this is an important zone where already on 1 hour time frame two candle has been closed with bearish momentum and confirmation entry second candle to similar. So just on Monday, wait for a candle to close at the price of, just I will show you at the price of this, guys, 1795. The confirmation will be done, candle will be closed, so you can look it out. Bearish momentum, just go with the previous candle SL. Your SL will be, I think so, very small, 1790, or go with the SL of 1800. Now what will be your target? First target itself, you can expect 1786, because as you can see, yesterday was NFP news, and first only just with one candle, and one candle here, no, I think so, no resistance or supply zones in between, so directly you can expect a target of 1786. By the way, you can look it out my Telegram channel too, guys. You can see yesterday NFP setup was uploaded and gold sell almost reached a profit of 200 pips. Again, if you could see here, again I told my Telegram members to gold buy at 1776 to 1781, and it was a superb trade, guys. Now only you can just look it out. The profits are almost, the price is at 1799 now. It has reached 1799. The entry was here with a small stop loss. You can expect. So if you have not joined my Telegram channel, you are missing a lot. So just join my Telegram channel, link is in description. So let's come back to this now. As I told you, Monday you can just go with the sell here. It's an important zone. Now we'll talk about what we can expect for this week. This I have told for you guys for Monday setup, what we can expect for Monday. Now what we can expect for this week, so we'll go with the daily time frame, guys, as usual. So if you could see here on daily time frame, you can see gold, it's in an important, very important supply zone, guys, resistance zone. You can see it as a resistance zone. Now first thing, you just look it out. I am going to tell you a previous, like, little bit scenario. You can see here, a trend line was following upside and upward trend, made a double top pattern. If you could see here, again retest, guys, it is a good retest, superb retest. Again it went boom boom. Now if you could see here, same as usual thing. Now it's in a downturn, it was in a downturn, and you can see it made a double bottom pattern. As if you could have, if you have seen my last analysis video to on gold, I told you about this, guys. Almost we have entered at 1622. Each and every signal of gold buy was uploaded. You can see the history in my Telegram channel too, or you can look it out the analysis video, last previous week's video. In that you can see everything, each and every signal from 1622 itself. I was telling you guys to go for a buy. So it made a double bottom pattern, superb retest, guys. At this level you can see here, it has taken retest from perfect. At this level you can see here, perfect level retest. Now the mark price is continuing, pull back, retest, continuing. Now what you can expect is, where you have to go for a, first of all, where you have to go for a buy till the price reaches, guys, till the price reaches almost 1815, guys, till the price reaches 1815 or breaks 1815, just this way 1815. Don't go for a buy. Yeah, don't go for a buy. Yeah, when the price reaches at 1778, then we'll look it out. But in this zone 1797 to 1815, don't go for a buy now itself. If you want to capture a big trade, don't go for a buy. if you if the price breaks 1815, you can go for a buy. Your targets will give you just some targets: 1827, first target 1837, and third target you can expect as 1756. These are some targets. By the way, guys, I will, I will be uploading the signals on the spot for you guys on Telegram channel, so don't miss to join the Telegram channel. Again, I am saying you. So as I told you, best scenario. Now sell will look it out only, guys. First of all, as I told you, it's an important resistance zone. Just on Monday, as I told you, Monday setup, it's making a triangle pattern. Now on Monday, if you go with the trade, it will come here. Wait for a breakdown. Wait for a breakout. Either upside it will break, or downside it will go for a breakout. So if it breaks sell side, just look it out. If it breaks sell side, wait for confirmation. Don't enter till the price 1781. If you have entered here, you can hold, but as I told you, just go with close the trade at 1786 with a profit of 150 pips. Next we'll look it out a setup. Now as I told you, for a sell setup for this week, now you will be looking out. Just watch, it will make up an intent pattern or double top pattern too, it can make. And if it gives a breakout, no, just you have to wait till the price breaks 1780. Then what we can expect is just market will fall like a hell at the price of, you can expect the targets of 1767, 1752 too, you can expect. Now as usual, third target will be 1728, or this will be this target you can expect. So this is a buy sell scenario. Monday, don't miss the setup, guys. For live on the spot signals with target and stop loss, look it out my Telegram channel. If you guys need anyone account management services, it's too available. Two seats are available, but the account equity should be big. So if you want, you can just ping me out in my Telegram channel, link is in description. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.